Right after the release of the Roblox 2019 Pizza Party event, Nike Air and Roblox have done a collab and joined forces to celebrate the power of imagination. This Air Max Day be among the first to obtain 3 exclusive avatar bundles inspired by the Nike Throwback Feature Collection. These limited edition bundles are free in the catalog through April 11th. So this is a collab with Nike Air and Roblox. It says just go bigger. So it's giving us free avatar Rthros. Nike Air is driven by the belief that beyond imagination there is something bigger. It started over 40 years ago with the absurd idea to capture air in the soles of our shoes. The Air Max 720 goes bigger than ever with Nike's tallest airbag yet, offering more air underfoot for unimaginable all-day comfort. Has Air Max gone too far? We hope so. Let's watch this video. It's just showing the shoes. It's not really anything interesting. Okay. But so we got 3 new avatars that are free in the catalog. So we got Aurora Spark, Science Whiz turned supersonic track star. Aurora developed her own Nike Air Vapor Max shoes to match her running abilities. She's not just breaking speed limits, she's breaking the sound barrier. Let's buy this. Let's purchase this for free quickly. Epic shoes there. Epic shoes. I'm gonna wear those. So it comes with Rthro Walk, Rthro Swim, Rthro Run, Rthro Jump, Rthro Idle, Rthro Fall, Rthro Climb, or Spark Left Arm, or Spark Left Leg, or Spark Right Arm, or Spark Right Leg, or Spark Torso, or Spark Face, or Spark Head, or Spark Shades, or Spark Hair, and or Spark. So, boom, bap. It's going to be my inventory. It was free. Let's look at the next one. Chroma Blitz. Round 1. Fight. Brandishing her iconic Nike Air Max 270s. Chroma is a hyper-energetic boxing champ who uses her indomitable speed and stamina to deliver the ultimate 1-2 punch. Another epic free Rthros. So this is all her items. Chroma with hair, her body parts, the animation. She looks sick. The shape's weird. I don't really like the hair. That's okay. The gloves could be nicer. Boom, bam, pop. Okay. And then the last one I'm hyped for because I look at that super cool shades. Ollie Zigzag, half ninja, half celebrity stuntman, all gravity defying athlete, sporting a pair of Nike Air Max 720s. This parkour practitioner is on a mission to show the world who's king of the concrete jungle. So the only reason why I'm loving this guy is look at those shades, man. Like, look at this. That's beautiful. It's purple and all. The face looks like a girl, so I'm not gonna talk about that. But yeah, pretty cool. Thank you Roblox for giving us these amazing Rthros for free, and our avatars are gonna change after you gave us to us. So look, I have my inventory just sorry. My inventories are just stoked now. Well, leave a like, subscribe.